Yes, how can I help?
I have an appointment set for,
Yes.
I wanted to get a battery.
Okay.
Put in my phone.
Yeah. I see. What's going on?
It's just time to replace it. It's not holding a charge.
Okay. And which Samsung is this?
Yeah, it's in my thing.
Okay.
A76.
Can you go to the settings?
Yeah. So I looked up the battery type and put it in my setup. So settings.
Okay. Just hit about. Okay, A71 5G. Okay.
Yeah.
Got it. Okay, you were.
A7 battery replacement, 5G. So the new upgraded one. Yeah. 4800 mAh.
Where is this? Can I see this? Oh, you're looking at Amazon. They can just claim whatever.
Okay. Well,
Yeah, that's not real.
okay.
It could be, yeah. It's probably not.
Very well.
Okay, if you can fill this out, let me just come over here. Okay. I'm glad you didn't buy that battery.
Yeah.
It would have been okay.
Sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. Make sure, yeah, everything works, right?
Well,
Make sure.
I was a little nervous when
I know.
you asked about the off-on button.
It's okay, yeah. I looked for it. I don't know. It's a small piece, and it just, yeah. Here, if you can follow these 3 steps right here to calibrate the battery.
2 more hours, okay.
Charge it up. Just follow it.
Oh, really?
What type of charger do you use? Do you use a original cable from
Blue
that
cord that
from
comes out of
Samsung,
the wall.
right? From Samsung?
I don't know. My wife
The
does.
one that came with the phone, or aftermarket
No.
something? Okay.
No, they're big blue ones that don't break. Heavy blue one. I don't know what you call them.
Yeah.
But that's good advice. I appreciate that.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you.
And
Have
then
we paid yet?
not yet. Not yet. Let me set this up. Right. What's up?
I texted you I have a phone battery.
Yes. Yeah. What's going on?
Good man, how you doing?
No problem.
Just gonna turn this thing off real quick.
Yeah. It is an older iPhone, so what's going on though? Is it just draining quickly?
Honestly, it works pretty damn well.
Oh, okay.
Um,
Okay. You could just turn
I'd just
it
say the
off.
battery is old because it's such an old phone. I already saw
It is, yeah.
I don't know how old it is. I bought it new, but I don't remember when that was.
Yeah. If you can fill this out here, let me just come over here.
Do you do iPhone batteries?
Yes, for sure.
Replacement?
For sure, yeah. What's going on?
Do we have to buy the battery?
No,
Okay,
we'll do the replacement for,
okay.
yeah.
Okay,
What's going on? Is it just
well,
not?
the 2 things are going on, but one is I'm getting the battery for them all. Somebody should
Okay.
make it.
You need a new battery.
And then the other
Let's
thing is
see.
ever since
What's
I
with the tape?
Oh, she doesn't want the camera.
Oh, I don't
Oh,
have
okay,
it.
I see.
Do I have to put it on?
No, it's all good.
I don't have it for photos. I just want to communicate.
Okay, can I see it? Okay.
Usually I've had a work phone for everything else.
And then the other thing is she's not able to download anything.
Apps.
It's acting like I own her phone because we were on the same account, but we're not on the same account anymore. And I've gone to T-Mobile.
Yes, hi. Come
How are
in.
you?
Pretty good.
Richard Malone.
Yes. Nice to meet you.
I think I've just got a low battery.
Okay.
I
Could
think
I?
it's no more difficult than that. But 3 days ago, it went out overnight, which it never does.
It went out. Okay.
Just the battery just drained, and ever since then, it's been going really fast. And today, the Google feed froze.
I see.
It's suboptimal. What
I see.
security you have! It's incredible. It's harder to get into the FBI building downtown, or easier.
Yeah, that is true.